Hello and welcome once again to another video. Today we are going to draw the great human being Abraham Lincoln, and I'm going to use a black bold marker pen for drawing that. Okay, so I'm going to try directly using this pen. I'm going to start with his head first. This is a silhouette image of Abraham Lincoln. So you don't have gradient lines, it is either black or white. You might have seen other silhouette images of other people that I have uploaded earlier. This is the hair on one of the sides. You all know what a great man he was. Abolished slavery, one of the finest human beings, a great administrator. I'm drawing his hair. Okay. And now I'm going to complete his face. First I'll draw an outline of his face. He has a long face with hollow cheeks. His ears were big. So got to draw big ears. Right, and you can see the hair extending on the side. Right, and he kept beards without a mustache, so that is the most identifiable thing about this person. So I'm drawing his beard here. Just to complete his face, I mean the outline of his face. Okay. Right. Now we will draw the hair on this side, which extends towards his beard. Right? Okay, so now we are going to complete his face. We will start with his eyebrows. Now there are too many lines over here, so you have to be very careful because you ought to leave white areas to show the places where the light is going to fall. So you have to be very careful about that, because once you fill it with black, you cannot do anything. Okay. These are the wrinkles around his eyes. Oh, that's enough. Too many lines is going to spoil it, so let's leave it as it is now. Right, and his nose is also, he's got a long nose. That's the shadow under his nose. Remember that this is a silhouette image, so there is only light and shadow in this image. There's no shade, no gradients. can try drawing still image of famous personalities by, if you don't have a reference still image, you can take the normal photographs, and if you have a simple image editing software, you can just convert it into grayscale or black and white image, and then keep increasing the contrast of the picture to the maximum. So you get ultimately a silhouette image of the photo, and then you can draw that. So we have come to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll come with another video tomorrow.